Welcome back to another CSS battles. This one is battle number 55 and it's called Windmill. So let's break this problem down. There are 4 semicircles, 2 of the same color, 2 are another color, and they're all rotating and touching around the 1 point. So one thing, I'm actually trying to get a little bit better at CSS. So I've been looking at more documentation like W3 schools, Mozilla documentation, Stack Overflow, random stuff like that. And this would actually be a brilliant case for transform origin. So I'll touch on that a little bit more later. But let's dive right in. I think with this one, it shouldn't be too difficult. I see. This is where I really mess up, isn't it? So I'm just going to have 4 different div tabs, 1 for each semicircle. Might be able to do it a different way with like pseudo elements, but for now I'm just going to use it as divs and keep things nice and simple in my mind. Let's target the body. I'm only going to do a background color, so I'm going to keep that on 1 line. Nice. And the divs, let's just change the color to yellow to begin with. Position, let's put them as position absolute. So we need to half the height, I think. Add in a border radius to make it the semicircle. How do I do this border radius again? Let's try 100 pixels, 100 pixels, 0, 0. Yeah, that's pretty decent. Pretty decent. Top, let's go with the 100 pixels and left 100 pixels. See where we're at. Actually, that's pretty much bang on. Is there anything? I'll leave it for now. I think like top 99 maybe. No, it is top 100. Is there something I can do with the leave it like that. Might come back to it. It's just a little bit off for me. But we'll talk about the transform origin. Yeah. So it can take 1 value, 2 values, or I think it's just 1 or 2 values, and they can also be keywords. So what this means is 100% from the left and 100% from the top. So we are targeting bottom left. That's where we're going to start rotating from. And what's pretty cool about transform origin is actually does a translation first, then does the rotation, and then translates it back. So without transform origin, if I do a rotation, I then have to use left, right, top, whatever to get it back to a position. So if I just, we'll do it as an example. We'll take div end of type. I'm just going to take the 3rd one for now. So transform, rotate, and this one will be 180 degrees. So as you can see, it's just rotated. And I would have to then do top, increase the top a little bit, left, increase the left. With transform origins, let's uncomment that. You can see straight away that it's just transforming around this point. So that's a really neat little bit of code there. So to finish this off, we're going to target some more divs. And I'm going to actually target the even ones here to change the background. Oops. Even, yeah, and they're just stacked on top of each other. That's why it's changed the color. And I'll just do transform, rotate, transform, rotate, and do 90 degrees for now. There's 1, and then we're going to take the last one. So that's number 4. Transform, rotate to 70 degrees. Let's just remove some spacing. Get rid of that. That's all fine. That's fine. Don't need the last style tag. Let's submit, see what we get. 605, 49, so that's very good. 100% match, 450 characters. Really, really happy with that. It was great to learn a little bit more about transform origin and to actually put it in practice. So I'm very happy with this challenge. Let me know how you got on down below. What do you think of transform origin, or did you do it a different way? If you enjoyed this video, then you might like this next video, which is appearing on your screen now. And as always, if you have enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I hope you all have a good day.